Hey friends, my name is Mukesh Kumar. Once again, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, and this video is totally based on the diseases which are connected and related to the skeletal systems only. So friends, I am very much clear that in my previous videos just you came to know and gone through all the diseases related to the nervous system. Now this video is completely based on the osteoporosis and osteopenia as well, that is the skeletal system disease only. So let's start the video. So first of all, we will be knowing all about the osteoporosis and osteopenia and other joint diseases which are related to the skeletal system. So friends, if I talk about the osteoporosis first, that is weakness and brittleness and porous bones, and sometimes patient feels the fractures particularly in the hips, spine and wrist. Sometimes patients feels the loss of weight and height and stopped posture, and sometimes it may feel that back pain and neck pain may also be there. So friends, if I say about the another disease which is directly related to the bone disease, that is called rickets. Friends, in this kind of disease which is related to the bone disease, patient may feel the softening of the bones in the children and bowed legs and stunned growth is also there, and sometimes the children feels the weak muscles and fatigue as well, and pain in the bones as well as in the joints also. So friends, the another one is related to the this particular bone disease and skeletal system disease, that is called osteomalacia. Yes friends, in this kind of disease, patient may feel the softening of the bones in the adults, muscle weaknesses and pain, sometimes fatigue and difficulty in the walking. Sometimes a patient may also feel the deformities, mean to say the bowed legs. The another one is that is called the Paget's disease, in which patients may feel enlarged bone and deformities in the bones and pain, stiffness, limited mobility, hearing loss and vision problems, increased risk of fractures. So friends, these were the diseases which are related to the bone diseases. So let's talk about the some joints diseases are also related to the skeletal system, that is called and you must have heard about the osteoporosis, osteoarthritis and some gout disease is also there which is directly related to this system. So let's talk about the osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis as well. So first of all, if I say about the rheumatoid arthritis, that is the joint pain, swelling, stiffness, morning stiffness and fatigue, sometimes loss of functions and deformities and fever. Sometimes patient may feel the fever and loss of appetite. If I talk about the osteoporosis, which is the joint disease, so patient feels the joint pain, stiffness, swelling, limited mobility, crunching sounds and morning stiffness, and sometimes the gait changes and pains in hips and knees, hand as well. So friends, if I say about the gout disease, that is all of sudden and severe joint pain may be felt by the a patient in the joints, and swellings, redness, warmth sometimes on the specific area, and limited mobility and stiffness, sometimes kidney stones and uric acid buildups. Friends, these were the diseases which are related to the joint pain, joint diseases and the bone diseases, but some diseases are also there which are directly dependent on the muscle problems also, and these muscle problems are also categorized under the disease of the bone disease and skeletal system disease, like the muscle atrophy, and sometimes a patient feel the myasthenia gravis, that is another disease in which the muscle weakness, fatigues, double vision and sometimes drooping eyelids and difficulty in speaking, as well as the swallowing and shortness of the breath in myasthenia gravis occurs, which is a problem of the muscle disease. If I say about the another one is which is related to the muscle disease, that is muscular dystrophy, in which progressive muscles weaknesses, muscle wasting and loss of functions and difficulty walking and sometimes breathing problem and heart problems may also occur. So friends, these were the some diseases which are related to the skeletal system. So let's talk about the some disorders of the skeletal system. So that is, if I say skeletal system disorders, mean to say some diseases are also there, like scoliosis and kyphosis and clubfoot. Mean to say, if I talk about the scoliosis, that is the abnormality in the curvature of the spine, and back pain, uneven shoulders, and difficulty in breathing, digestion, and limited mobility in this disease also occurs. On other hand, if I say about the kyphosis, that is a kind of skeletal disorder, that is forward curvature of the upper back and rounded shoulders and hunchback. Sometimes the patient feels the back pain, in breathing difficulties and limited mobility in this also occurs. And the third one is that is categorized under the skeletal disorder, that is clubfoot. So foot deformity, twisted ankle, and difficulty walking, balance in issues and pain, and sometimes limited. And sometimes patient may also feel some another problems like the cancer related bone diseases, in which that is called osteosarcoma. So in osteosarcoma, patient may feel the excessive pain in the body, fatigue, swelling, and some inflammation in the body. So just we should consult with our arthritis related doctors. Another one is that is metastatic bone disease, in which cancer related disease is also there, can be said, and in which patient may feel the fractures and limited mobility, and that one is the cause, that is the main cause, shortness of the breath and excessive pain also there in this kind of disease. Friends, apart from these diseases which are related to the skeletal system, some infectious diseases are also there in the skeletal system, that is the osteomyelitis, in which bone infections and pain, sometimes swelling, redness, all the common things are there, but the disease is different, and some little symptoms are also different. Another one is the septic arthritis, in which we can say that is a kind of infectious disease in the bone. So these kind of the diseases are directly related to the skeletal system. So friends, if I say about all the diseases regarding our skeletal systems, so if you want to know very thoroughly and explained video on any specific disease which are related and with which you are suffering, so I'll be explaining in the next video. Just write and drop the your issues and doubts in the comment box. I'll be making the entire video regarding that particular disease, whatever you will be wanting. So bye for now, meet you in the next video. So like and subscribe the channel to get know and informed about such kind of contents. Thank you, goodbye.